Unit 20. A rainy day. You look so bored. Let's read some books. It stopped raining. Let's go out for a walk.